Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's video, we will be using the Cricut Maker 3 to make a sign for Halloween. You can also make this project using anything from the Explore Air or Maker lineups. We're going to start with this wooden pumpkin cutout. I'll be painting it 3 colors, so I'll start by grabbing my ruler and sectioning it into thirds. Paint the top third white and the bottom third yellow. Don't forget to do the edges as well. Let that dry, then tape off the middle section for the orange. Double check that the lines are straight by measuring each side to make sure that they are equal. Once you're happy with the placement, paint the middle section orange. Let that dry and remove the tape. Cut out a piece of vinyl slightly larger than the design and stick it down to a mat. This design has some really little cuts, so make sure it's stuck down really well. Load it into your Cricut and let it do its magic. The design is cut out, now we can weed. The font is called Spooky Webby, and I got it on dafont.com. It has a lot of little lines, so make sure you have a sharp blade for this one. Use some transfer tape to pick up the design and stick it down to your board with your scraper. Now all you have to do is add a bow, and this fun Halloween sign is ready to hang. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.